CAEM was founded by my father, Rito, in 1958. Initially, it was a small workshop based in Subiano, and it was manufacturing a lot of different products based in metal sheet manufacturing. On the very beginning, my father Rito was manufacturing any kind of product that the local small market was asking him for. So if a customer or a friend of him asking him for a lighting system or an electric box to fit some electric components, my daddy designed it and manufactured it for him. Shortly later, the demand was mainly concentrated in metal shelving. Shops in Italy was going to be renewed from old traditional shops to new kind of sales, supermarkets. Probably a bit early to mention this word that time, but was the trend where the shops were renewed. So I decided to join my father. He had an activity, why not to get this opportunity? It was fantastic. Most of my friends at school was dreaming to have a father having this opportunity. So I asked myself, why not? And I joined him. Thanks to my school preparation and skill, I joined him to make some more different manufacturing processing, starting to consider new tooling. My brother was continuing his study. 3 years later he finished and he immediately joined the company. So together we said, okay, we have good opportunities to grow this company, but we have to find a way and which product to manufacture. We understood immediately that was so dispersive to manufacture so many different products. There was no specialization. Fortunately, at the time, there was a rising demand of shelving, metal shelving, to renew most of the old traditional shops of the area. More and more customers visit our company, in the meantime equipped with new, let me say, not very modern, but new manufacturing machinery, and we specialize in that product. We abandoned any other later on, and we concentrated and focused in metal shelving products. Please let me say that at the time, the company was based in a very small building. I don't remember now, but let me say a couple of hundred of square meters, 15 by 15-ish. My father was permanently managing the company and my mother looking after the family. They loved each other very much. There was really a fantastic couple. The demand was growing quite fast, to be honest. It was a lucky period for the Italian economy. And the unit, the workshop we was manufacturing in, the product became very small quite soon. A few years later, let me say the late 60s, we bought the land and we built a new premises, where in the 69 or 70, sorry to be not so precise on the date, anyway, we moved and we bought new machinery, huge, enormous space at the time. We said, my God, we reached the paradise now, we are in a different country, we are in a different unit, and we start making a standard product to be distributed to everybody to try to accommodate any possible demand in length, in width, in loading capacity, so very modular, very flexible and easy to install. We have been successful in that, to be honest. I was pleased to remind that period of time because it was where I gave the best of my knowledge of my study to the company and to the product. In the meantime, with the growth of the demand, we also had the opportunity to deal with first customers outside Italy. We was participating to exhibition, and the number and the range of customers was widening quite fast and successfully. An English guy visited us, Tom Simpson, his name, I remember him for life, was visiting the company in one exhibition in Milan, and we started dealing with him. He was the key of another boost of the company importing in a continuously lot of products to distribute in the English market. The company was an English independent company owned by him, and we have had a very good relationship and very good business for a quite long period of time. Recently, let me say in the range of time of 4-5 years ago up to today, we have been creating a new joint stock companies in different countries in the world. The first one was Australia, where you have lovely, good, nice guys, directors and partners, and we are really successful. In Australia, we have celebrated this year the new building where we stock the product sent from Italy, still the mother company, the headquarters of CAEM. And we have installed a spraying new system based in our own design, specifically made to give our product the best finish to please higher demand of that local market. In the order there has been India, where you have good guys, good directors, very specialized in their own job, where you also manufacture under own design and we are outsourced by local companies. The aim is one day to manufacture something on our own, of course, according to the best CAEM tradition. And we have also, early this year, founded a joint company in America. We have designed a new product. Its name is T25, meaning 25 mil, but also inches, that we are going to distribute and introduce to the American market. The first returns and feedback of the product are encouraging. We are investing money on there, and we have customers really very interested to expose this product and consider for its installation, and seems to be successful. Okay, being expanding our business thanks to the very passionate activity of my son Andy, we are thinking and looking for the market globalization. There are new economies, China particularly, India, I already said it, and China is also fascinating. I've been visiting China since the mid of last year. We have made a new product design, and we are going to have a possible partnership or some kind of cooperation with local manufacturers. Thanks to the many countries with different culture, different problems of their own customers, don't forget that India should display vegetable in a different way than England does. They produce their local fresh products. England imports. So the way of displaying and selling in the supermarket is totally different. Taking the feedback of our local units, I do believe, we enrich the culture at CAEM. And we use this feedback with our engineering to draw and continually update our product for any possible demand of the market, the huge global market. So, faithful to CAEM Group philosophy, the will from now on is to get more possible market all over the world.